Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a WhatsApp backup on your Motorola Moto G06 Power. Okay, we need to open up our WhatsApp. Once we are here, click on those three dots in the top right corner and open up the settings. Okay, now find Chats, scroll down a little and click on Chat Backup. Okay, and now we need to discuss a few things. Let's begin with the Google account. Simply tap on that. And as you take a look, in my case, this Google account is currently selected, which means that in the cloud of this selected account, my backup will be saved and stored. So if I want to restore that backup in the future, I'll need to be logged in into the same Google account. If you want, of course, you can click on Add Account and log in into another and select it right in here. It will appear in this window. Okay, below we have the automatic backups. Defaultly, this option is set on off. In my case, I put it on the monthly, which means that each month, automatically, the backup will be made, and I don't need to do this manually. Pretty convenient thing. And I highly recommend picking one of those modes. We have daily, weekly, monthly, or only when I tap backup. Okay, also, let's make sure that include videos feature is enabled, because defaultly it's also turned off. And on the bottom, we have end-to-end encrypted backup. If you want, you can turn it on. In here, basically, you can create a unique password that you will need to type in the future if you want to restore your chats. But be aware that if you create that password and when you forget it, you won't be able to restore the chats. So simply create a password that you will remember, but it's not necessary to create a backup. That's like an extra security feature that you can add. Okay, now make sure that you have some free Google storage space. If you don't have enough, you can always delete something. Okay, and now all we need to do is to hit this green backup button. In my case, it won't take long because I don't have many messages, so it should be done any second. Alright, as you take a look, last backup, we can see the hour, it's the same, and below we can see the size of our backup. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.